Guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to buy crypto using your Binance app. Some of you have been using Binance for so long to make transactions, but now you decide to buy crypto using it, right? In this video I'm going to guide you in a process of how you can use the Binance app to buy crypto like BTC and other coins. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Let's just jump into it. First of all, click your Binance app. Once you click your Binance app, it will bring you to this interface where you see markets, trade, future, assets, home. You click the markets, right? Then you will search for the coin that you want to buy. In this video, we are going to use BTC, all right? Then you click search. Then you type in the coin you want to buy. We are buying BTC. Then you click BTC. Yes, this is BTC. All right. Now, if you want to buy coin, my advice is that you analyze the market very well. Understand the trend. Understand where the market is going before putting in your money. Okay. Let's assume you have analyzed the market and understood where the market is going, and now you want to buy. Okay. The only thing you need to do is, you see this button here, buy. You click it, and it will bring you to this place where you can put in the amount of USDT you want to use to buy BTC. Here, total USDT, you click, okay? Then you will type in the amount of USDT you want to buy. Let's assume you want to buy BTC with amount of 1000 USDT, okay? Then you will type in 1000, okay? Once you are done, watch here. Here is the amount of BTC that you will receive with this current price, okay? Then you click done. Once you are done clicking the done, then you see right here, buy. That's the only thing you need to do. You just click the buy and that's it. It's the same if you want to sell. You put in the amount of USDT you want to buy, you want to sell, then you click sell. It will sell your assets, okay? But if you don't have any assets, don't mind clicking the sell because there's nothing there. So guys, I've shown you the simple way of how you can buy BTC. Other coins, the same process. If you want videos like this, subscribe to this channel and leave a positive comment that will motivate us to upload videos like this. Stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you.